Hi guys, um I got this new game and so you can find this new game in the link down below. I'm just trying to earn a lot of Robux by it. I but if I can earn enough to 100 Robux, maybe I can actually make a group. And if I make the group play with me and adopt me, um so you can friend me. And then I'll check all my friend requests at the end of the week. Then I'll announce one that put it in their bio that they are my fan. So you can find it in the link down below. So I'm pretty sure my game isn't that good yet. So I just wanted to learn a lot. I just wanted to have a lot of Robux, you know. And so why would I do all this hard work if I didn't want to? Well, no reason. So I just wanted to show you. So let's claim this tycoon. And on the free dropper, you can tap on the free one only though. So you can tap and then it'll do the dropper. Then look, the money's up. 27 bucks. That's only the $1. Keep going until you have 70 bucks. So you can buy the next one. Or I don't care about how you buy it. It's gonna be a fun game. Well, I mean, it might not even be published, so I'll try to publish my starter place. Remember, it's in the link down below. So let's go. Now let's see how much money. 73 bucks. Wow, not bad. So I think the Game Pass isn't working right now, guys. So I don't know. You can test it. Okay, and the second dropper does it by itself. So you can choose when you get money on the first one. On the second one, it does it by itself. And on the second one, it does 3. Then you can keep buying and buying and buying droppers. I don't care about what you buy first. Just have fun playing this game. That's all I. So, so I'll try. I don't think it's published yet. I'll try some. Remember, tomorrow on Saturday, I'll be announcing who I'm accepting the friend request. Okay, I've got 160 bucks. Wait, did I buy my third dropper yet? Let's just collect the bucks and see. Okay. Yes, I did. Oh, an upgrader. 300. Help them, dropper, help them. And there might be a few game passes. I don't know. Okay. So I just wanted to, oh, and when you buy it, there's a free car that you'll get. Pretty sure you'll like the car. And okay, so let's go. So you can go in the car. I don't think it's very fast though. Okay, I think there's another car over there. Okay. Okay. Okay, I guess that's okay. Remember, you can buy whatever you want. Literally whatever you want. Cause No one cares about what you buy. Their tycoon, our tycoon, right? Okay. So that's all. Bye.